I hope you're all well and welcome back to Bring On Life. Today is a beautiful day and I'm so excited to share to you about what I eat in a day. So let's start by making some breakfast, but before that, don't forget to smash a like and subscribe button as I will be sharing more healthy recipe videos in the next couple of weeks. So let's move to the kitchen and make some breakfast. Let's do it. Alright, so we are going to start by making some pancakes for breakfast. It's 8 a.m. and I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make a low-carb pancakes and I'm gonna try and make it as fluffy as it could be. So let's do it. What do we have here? Let's start by adding some almond milk. So guys, I'm so excited to eat breakfast because I normally don't eat breakfast because I am on intermittent fasting. So I would probably have at least 2 breakfasts in a week. I deserve to have some pancakes. I personally don't like sugar, but with pancakes it's an exception, so I'm gonna put a little bit. You can put as much as you want, but personally I don't want my food to be sweet, so that's only 2 teaspoons of sugar. But let's see if I can make it. Ooh, I broke it! I broke it! Perfect! Perfect! Alright, so we have our meringue ready, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix this one, quickly mix it with some milk. Just a little bit. There you go. So let's just mix that one. So let's put some vanilla. Ooh, okay. So fluffy. Slowly, guys, so you can retain the fluffiness. I don't even know if there's a word such as fluffiness. Alright, so we now have our pancake mix, and does it look good? I don't know if it looks good, but I think it will taste good, so let's cook it. Alright, so my pancake is ready. Look at that, guys. It looks so fluffy and I'm so excited to eat it. It looks so good. It smells so good, and yeah, let's put some toppings on it. So I don't like maple syrup personally, so I'm not gonna put any maple syrup, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on top with some moist. Oops. There you go. But you can definitely add any sweetener you want, guys. You can add some maple syrup. So might be a lot. So I'm just gonna put that there. Just playing around with it. Alright, so here is my pancake, guys. So this is my breakfast on a weekend. It's pretty easy to make and it's really healthy. You can definitely put some maple syrup. Personally, I don't like sugar, so I'm not putting anything there. But I do put some peanut butter. So I would normally eat it with peanut butter on the side. It's very weird, but it's yummy. Look at that, yummy. So I'm gonna call Grant and I'm gonna make him the judge of this food, and we'll see if he likes it. Alright. Ciao! Food is ready! So I'm just gonna add more peanuts on top. Tell me if it's good.
I don't know how to eat.
Just, yeah, I don't know too. I think you're just gonna have to like cut.
It's like with the butter. I think the butter's amazing.
Yeah. You can add more butter if you want.
Very moist as well.
I think this will be our Saturday breakfast from now on.
Yo.
Look how fluffy it is, guys. Look at that. My hands are shaking, I don't know why. But it's so fluffy. So fluffy. Alright guys, so now we're back for lunch. I'm so excited because I'm so hungry. I just got back from a quick walk outside. So for lunch, I'm gonna be cooking some shakshuka. Shakshuka is normally for breakfast, but I love having it for lunch, so I'm gonna have it today. Yeah, so I've already pre-cut some vegetables. Here we've got capsicum, onions, garlic. We also have here cilantro and some tomato sauce, some spices, salt and pepper, and of course the main ingredient, which is eggs. Eggs. All right, so I think let's start. Let's cook it. Let's do it. It's gonna be quick and easy, guys. So let's move all this stuff over here. Let's bring all the goodies, because I am hungry. Alright guys, so lunch is ready. Look at this shakshuka. It looks so good and it smells so good. This is really good to have with breads, but because I'm on keto diet, I don't eat bread that much. But I have here some avo, as you can see here. Avo is like my favorite. I can never have a day without avo. So yeah, let's try it. Let me try it first and then I'm gonna call Grant and he can be the judge. Yum. You can put some cottage cheese on top, but we only have Parmesan, but I think it's still really good. So it's a bit spicy, so let's see if Grant will love it. I love spice, so it's good. Alright, I'm gonna call Grant. Ciao! Lunch is ready. Come on already, bro. Come on, let's eat. Alright, come. There he is, and he's only there when we're about to eat. He's not helping, guys. He's not helping at all. He should probably wash the dishes, right? Agree? Alright guys, if you think Grant should wash the dishes, you should comment it down below. Comment it down below. It's a bit spicy. I love spice.
Oh, I know.
Do you want some apple?
That's got
spicy.
a kick.
Yummy. It doesn't like spice, I forgot. I think I put way too much spice. So make sure you don't do what I did, guys.
Very good. The egg's runny too, which is nice.
Yeah, you love it runny, right?
It's best.
Alright, so for dinner, you know what we're gonna have?
Shakshuka again?
No. We'll probably have some leftover and we're gonna eat it the next day. But for dinner, we're gonna have some healthy chicken Jollibee style.
Ooh, crispy chicken.
No. Healthy, crispy chicken Jollibee style.
I dig it.
Ooh. Alright, and now it's dinner time and we're gonna make some crispy chicken Jollibee style but healthy version. So lately I have been like craving for crispy chicken Jollibee, but obviously we don't really have it in Australia. So I'm just gonna make my own version, but a healthy version. So yeah, dinner is like my favorite part of the day and I always get so excited with the food that I eat or the recipe that I am going to cook. So what do we have here? Yeah, we have some chicken thigh fillets. Sometimes I would use chicken breast, but I prefer chicken thigh fillets because it's more juicy. We also have here some seasoning. We've got tamari sauce because we're gonna marinate this one first. We've got some lemon, some eggs, and what do we have here? We have here shredded coconut. So this chicken is gonna be coated with some shredded coconut. Very interesting, right? I haven't done this before actually, but I always want to try this recipe. So here we are. And we also have here some coconut flour. And so Gran and I bought an air fryer just a couple of months ago, but it has just arrived because it has been like out of stock during this lockdown. So I'm so excited to try it. We're gonna have some crispy kale chips in the air fryer. So let's see if it's gonna be so good. Let's start it. Okay, so let's add some tamari sauce. I love tamari sauce. I am going to squeeze some lemon in here. Ooh, yummy. Let us mix it. I actually want to put some salt and pepper as well. So, I love pepper. So put as much as you want. Alright, and now let's set it aside for maybe 3 to 5 minutes. While I'm doing that, actually I'm going to put that here. I am going to prepare the coconut coating. So we'll see if this is actually good. Let's start with that one. I don't want to coat it with a lot of coconut flour. And woohoo! Alright guys, please don't forget the garlic powder. This is very important for the flavor actually. When it's spicy. Gran's gonna cry because I'm gonna be putting a lot of spice again. So the chicken is in the air fryer and it's cooking. So while that is cooking, I'm gonna be preparing the salad. So it's just a very quick and easy salad with some cherry tomato. Oil. Alright, so for the chicken dip or the sauce or however you call it, we're just gonna have a very simple one, which is mayonnaise with some mustard, mustard and a little bit of lemon. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright guys, so we already have the salad, the chicken dip, and as well as the chicken is cooking in the air fryer. So now we're gonna prepare the kale chips. How long did you cut it before? Right, so you need to make sure that the stalk is not there because it doesn't actually grow crispy. So just gonna leave them. So the chicken is ready and it smells so good. So let's put some on my plate. It's so crispy. Guys, so look at that. That looks amazing. That looks so yummy. Alright guys, so it's pretty ready and we're so excited to eat because we're so hungry. So while we're waiting for the kale chips, we're gonna start smashing this crispy chicken. Let's do it. So yummy, 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 yummy.
I think my crispy fried chicken Jollibee style is kind of a cheap.
I think it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, so it's movie time guys. And we're gonna have to try this.
Try. Best thing ever.
We're gonna have to eat it. Can you hear that? Alright, so we're gonna have a relaxing night tonight and I'm gonna have to say bye. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about the recipe, please comment it down below and I will be putting it as well in the description box. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and have a good one guys. Bye bye.
I've eaten them all.
Mm.
These ones are the best ones ever.